So, what is up everyone? We are back for another shoot and we're back in BGC and we have with us Jack.
Hi.
Yeah. So I've shot with Jack before and I'll link her social media in the description below. Hello everyone and welcome back. I decided to do something different, so I muted myself here and wanted to go over my thought process for getting the shots I did in this video. For this first area, I saw a shot of an intersection that I wanted to have my take on. Unfortunately, the original shoot I planned for this day didn't push through because, well, the model just didn't show up. Very bad. But Jack here saved the day. She's such an awesome model. I'll link her in the description below. Please go and check out her page and drop her some likes and a follow. Unfortunately, given the time of the day, I couldn't quite get the lighting the way I wanted to, so I had to shift gears and do a different shot. I lowered my angle and had Jack try a different pose, and we ended up with this nice shot. Moving on. May other photogs. Two other photogs. At this point, I was really feeling out of it and I felt like I had to switch lenses to get back into the flow of things. So I have switched lenses from the 28. We are now using the 50 1.8. We're using a 28 f2. And I forget how nice the 50 is as well. I've been using the 28 for so long. Hey, we can try that. We can try that. There.
The red one?
Yeah. Here, we wanted to get some shots at this chair by a giant red heart, but there were so many people crowding the area that we wouldn't be able to get a decent shot in. We thought of trying out some shots from the side. We then moved down to take some shots by the steps and moved around the area. The lights were amazing and I was trying to avoid getting any other people in the shot, and these were the shots we ended up with. And we are done and we're gonna go grab food. So that's the end of the shoot. We're gonna grab food and yeah, till next time. Do you want to say anything?
Oh, I don't know.
Like, subscribe. Do you have any, social media channels, Instagram?
Okay, you can follow me on IG at Jack Elizar. FLLZR.
Awesome. Alright, that's it. Till next time.